Congratulations to Vuyokazi. If there's one thing that makes a Vuyokazi supporters to be happy, is to see Vuyokazi winning all the time. In 2025, it's all about winning. Anyway, guys, let's get to start today. You know, the rest of the house is Samana Pins and Wasale. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe it, to like it, comment. A happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. 2025, we are not playing, guys. Either you make money online, you do shortcuts, you fix your CV, you do something, you go back to school and complete that degree, or you do something to better your life. As for Vuyokazi, it seems like things are working well for her. So yesterday, Vuyokazi posted a blog. People in the comment section went on to say, hearing that YouTube's pays you already makes me so happy, considering that you started a month ago. We really love you, Sisi. Iqanda le country for you. Somebody went on, hope one day you will share with us like how much it was your first payment. If there's one person who's getting a support here on YouTube, it is Vuyokazi, guys. People are saying that I will Vuyokazi. We are not gonna skip the ads. People are supporting Vuyokazi, guys. Although she did not mention that she received any money from YouTube, guys, but considering the fact that her videos do have ads, it means that she's already making money, guys. Wish her nothing all the best, and wish she can use other platform as well to make money, because I'm not gonna lie, Vuyokazi's name, guys, carries so much power. Remember that we are now on the this term, but very soon we're gonna have Vuyokazi this term, even though she's no longer part of those reality show, but every time they mention her, obviously she will trend, guys. So this is how you make money as a content creator. If there's one thing about Vuyokazi, guys, even if she can start a business online, people will support. She has so much love. People love her. Even people are calling her Iqanda le country, guys. When a person say Iqanda le country, know that you're gonna get so much love, guys. So wish her nothing the best, Vuyokazi. May she continue and keeps on posting. Remember, people are making money here on YouTube, guys. The fact that Usne Kukulete, she did share that there was a month where she made close to 51,000 rand. Abo Kokoli, who's that girl? Lerato Ngumalo, she was making close to 65,000 rand. So guys, there's money to be made here on YouTube, guys, that you can take care of yourself, you can go back to school, you can do something for yourself. So congratulations to Vuyokazi. May she continue to post every day. Someone even giving her advice to say, oh, this is how you edit. Make sure that you introduce yourself when you start blogging. She's not used to this, but she's getting better every day. I wish her nothing the best day. Anyway, guys, what are you doing 2025, guys? What are we doing 2025? We are not giving up on anything. We are fixing anything, guys. If there's something that you needed to do since 2 years ago, 2025 is that year, guys. Please don't give up on yourself. If you want to start a YouTube channel, start a YouTube channel. If you want to start a business online, if you want to go back, start something, guys. So 2025, be busy. Even it's not something that people when they can laugh at you, just do it. You never know, guys. Do you still remember it was hard for Vuyokazi to start her YouTube channel, guys? Do you still remember? Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.